Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening my holy grail doll, the Black Barbie. Now this is a reproduction doll that came out in 2010. The original doll came out in 1980, made by Miss Kitty Black Perkins herself. We love her. Oh my gosh, she's an inspiration. She did her thing with this doll, okay? But I ended up getting this doll for like $200 off eBay. I believe the original, as I was seeing, was like almost 500 bucks. And woo, sister girl, don't have those kind of funds. But it is Black History Month, so I had to get her. I know it's coming to an end, but hey, we don't care. It's Black History Month every month for me. And this is by far my favorite doll that I have in my collection. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move. As you can see here, she has lots of accessories. She comes with earrings, and they gave her a little pick, which is really cute. I didn't know what that third thing was. I honestly never figured that out. But I know she also comes with a bag, and she comes with these little shoes that go with her second outfit, which I kept the shoes. I like the shoes, but I did not like the second outfit. You'll see it here in a little bit, but I ended up just throwing that away. Oh my god. Don't judge me. But here's, oh, I'm clumsy there, dropping stuff. That was the second outfit. And now let's get her out. Let's get her stand first. She comes with a stand. As you can see here, I was trying to be gentle and then I dropped the girl on the ground. Oh my gosh. Oopsie, sorry ma'am. But yes, look how beautiful she looks. Look at her little shoes. Okay, she's serving. Yes. Look at that little waist. Oh my gosh, the little twist waist. It's in the back out. That was cute. Yes ma'am. It's even cute without the skirt. I love this little look too. Just imagine like just flinging the skirt off in real life and then you have on an outfit like that. Oh my god, yes. This is the second fit, and like I said, I just didn't care for it. It wasn't giving for me, so I did not keep it, but I kept the bag. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Black History Month. Bye.